So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the stereo system out of this 2012 Audi A4. So the way I will be doing this is using this trim removal tool. Okay, I got this trim removal tool in Princess Auto if you're in Canada. You can also get it in Harbor Freight if you're in the US. Okay, and it's super useful to have, especially if you're doing similar jobs like this. Alright, I'm going to start off by taking out this particular panel. So the way you do it is you pull these four corners and this panel should come out. So that's pretty easy. Once that's done, we use our trim tool to remove the air vent. I'm just gonna push this and keep this out of here. Alright, so that's out of there. And with that out of the way, you can see these two foot bolts, okay, that are basically keeping this audio system in place. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is remove the bottom piece. So again, use the trim tool on either side. That should take the audio piece out. So with that removed, you should now get access to the two bolts at the bottom. Alright, so these four bolts are 8mm bolts. Alright, so I got my 8mm socket and ratchet. I'll start losing these out. Out. Alright, with those four bolts removed, the system should just pop out. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my gear lever to neutral, turn off the car. I can take this out. And then we'll put it back to park. Take out the keys. Perfect. Alright, to take the connectors out, there's a little tab at the back. Can you see this tab over here? So you basically push that in and pull out. Alright, so for this RF connector for the antenna, basically again there's a little tab here that needs to be pushed down and you got to pull up. Okay. So this display connector is a little bit difficult to pull out, but again, same principle. There's a little tab here. You put pressure on there and then you pull it out. And this connector pulls out using this tab. So push onto this tab, push onto this tab and pull, and that should release the connector. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Rohan's Fixes and Builds.